What's up guys? I'm back with another video. This is George from Adventure GT. I'm here to do another video on the Renegade. Now this video is actually going to be something that I actually forgot in a previous video. I did a previous video where I switched out all my interior lights to LEDs, but I was reminded by someone in the comments that I forgot to do the visors, which is very, very true, and they're boring, sad, and yellow, and you know, that's not cool. I don't like that. I wasn't actually going to film this originally, but I thought, well, you know, I'll film it in case somebody else wants to do it too. Very, very simple, super easy. And the only thing you're gonna need is the new LED lights, which I will link below, and a panel removing tool or a thin, small, flathead screwdriver. But yeah, let's get into it. All right, we're sitting in the car. Let's take a look at this right now. Pull this down. Man, that is some hideous looking yellow. Ugh, all right. So in order to do anything, we will have to remove this piece around first. There are some clips, I believe, here and here. I could be wrong, but I know there's 4 clips. So this is gonna be really hard to film, by the way. But I will try my best. Let's try this guy out. See if we can't get under there. Oh boy, this might require 2 hands. Maybe not. Maybe I'll get lucky. Let's see if I don't break anything. Oh, there we go. That's what you like to hear. Oh, heck yeah. Bang, that easy, huh? Okay, cool. Once you have that off, we're gonna have to remove these 2 right here to get to the light, which should be right over here. See if I can't set the camera down somewhere. Give me 1 second. All right, let's see here. With your panel removing tool, you should be able to just push these 2 down and kind of lift. Same thing with that guy. There we go. Perfect. Now we can remove this piece and work on that piece. Right in here is where your light is. See if I can't zoom in a little bit. Right here's your light. So what we're going to do is turn it around. Right here is your light bulb. We should be able to just push this out, push it up, and there it went flying. Let me grab one of the new LEDs and see if I got lucky and got the right ones. Okay guys, so one thing to note, these are directional. So if you put them in backwards, just like that, it will now light up. If you put it in correctly, you just flip it back around the opposite way, push it in, boom. So remember, they are directional. If it doesn't work, pull the bulb out, flip it around. You don't want to be touching the LEDs with your bare hands. You don't want to have the oils and any dirt or anything on your fingers, so it's better to use gloves. So this was just a sample, just to make sure everything worked. But in the pack I bought, it came with 6, so I have plenty to spare. I just wanted to get one for you guys can see. But I'll grab a new light and I'll put it on with these gloves I have next to me. Okay, let's put this one on. Perfect. So once we have it going, we'll just bring this back over, put this guy back on. So we'll flip this over, make sure your cords aren't in the way. We're gonna line it back up, and we're basically just gonna click it back into place. Perfect. Then we should be able to just push it back in. This will clip back in down here. Be careful with that. If you can't get it, use one of your tools to push it back so you don't break anything. Click right back into place. And then, boom. Heck yeah, LED. So the same thing will go with the passenger side. Same thing works on your passenger side. You just gotta remove your trim, get to your light, switch out that ugly yellow, and switch over to this sweet white LED. I'm gonna go ahead and do this one, and I'll show you when it's all done. All right guys, we're done with this side as well. Boom. Let's go. Literally only took me, what, maybe 2 minutes to do it off camera. Very, very simple, very easy, and it looks good. Alright guys, that's pretty much the video. I'll probably pop up some night footage of it, what it looks like, how bright it is. But if you're curious to know what these bulbs are, it is the bulb number 74, also known as a 2723. I will link these lights below. case you want them. But if you don't, that's the number. But that's all I had for you guys. I'll probably post my original LED interior light video down here, and I'll post a different video of mine up here. But yeah, that's all I had. Thanks for watching. This is George from Visor GT. See you on the next one.